Hello friends, today's topic Reliance Industries now owns 120 TV channels. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Topic number 1. Yesterday evening, Reliance Industries announced that its television and video streaming business will merge with Disney India to create India's largest media company valued at around rupees 70,352 crores. As a part of the transaction, the media undertaking of Viacom 18 Reliance will be merged into Disney-owned Star India Private. Reliance will invest rupees 11,500 crores in the venture to fund growth. The Mukesh Ambani promoted company will control the joint venture via a rupees 16.34% direct stake and 46.82 held to Viacom 18. Disney will own 36.84%. Neeta Ambani will be the chairperson of the merged entity, while former Star India chief Uday Shankar will be the vice chairman. The deal is expected to be completed in the quarter ended December 2024 or March 2025 after receiving regulatory, shareholder and other approvals. The Reliance Disney India combination will bring together 120 television channels such as Colors, Star Plus, Star Gold and sports channels such as Star Sports, Sports 18 and also two over-the-top apps Hotstar and Jio Cinema. As per Reliance, this channel will have over 75 crore daily viewers across India and abroad. It is expected to consolidate its position with a substantial 40% share in the advertising market. As per brokerage firm Jefferies, this merger is likely to add rupees 20 per share to the valuation of Reliance Industries. Due to this news, Reliance Industries shares had rallied by more than 2% in the morning but then fell to close quite flat. Now, topic 2 of the day. After touching a lifetime high yesterday, Tata Motors shares fell close to 1% after brokerage firm CLSA downgraded the stock from buy rating to outperform. The downgrade was due to the huge rally in the stock in the last few months. However, the target price is rupees 1061, which is still higher than the current price of around 950. CLSA remains largely bullish on Tata Motors' growth prospects. It expects the Jaguar Land Rover division to do very well in the current quarter. The debt levels for Jaguar and Land Rover has also been decreasing, which is positive for Tata Motors. Now coming to topic number 3 of the day. In the recent rally of mid and small cap stocks, some stocks have rallied to such a level that their P ratios have gone much higher than 100. Since they are trading at such high valuations, SEBI was concerned about how retail investors will face any significant fall in mid and small cap stocks. The following is a list of stocks as compiled by Economic Times newspaper, which names companies with high P ratio and also significant increase in stake by mutual funds from December 2022 to December 2023. High PE stocks: number 1, Nykaa, P ratio 1574, mutual fund stake increase in December 2022, 6.79%. 2, Mahindra Lifespace, P ratio 344. 3, Shobha, P ratio 170. 4, MedPlus Health, P ratio 143. 5, United Breweries, P ratio 132. 6, Keynes Technology, P ratio 131. 7, Dixon Technologies, P ratio 114. 8, Neogen Chemicals, P ratio 109 and the mutual fund stake increase since December 2022, 3.87%. I am deliberately not mentioning mutual fund stake increase since December 2022 in order to save time, and I am hoping that you are reading it along with me. 9, Ether Industries, P ratio 91. 10, Lemon Tree Hotels, P ratio 90. 11, Amber Enterprises, P ratio 89. 12, RHI Magnesia, 88 is the P ratio. Retail investors have been pumping money into mid and small cap mutual funds due to the rally. If and when there is an overall market weakness, the mid and small cap stocks will fall heavily due to their higher valuation. Investors will book profit at such a time and cause panic among large number of new retail investors. At the end of the video, here is a question. Which channel is not owned by media wing of Reliance Industries? Four choices in front of you. CNBC TV 18, Colors, NDTV Profit and MTV India. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.